Let me share with you a $22 million SaaS story. The founder's name is Guillaume, and this company went from 0 to $20 million in ARR in just 5 years. So this article is by James Fleischman, and I'll leave a link for it in the description below. They're the founder of Lem Empire, and they haven't raised a single dollar in funds. In the process, they've acquired 2 SaaS companies, taking a multi-million-dollar cash-out deal, and they currently employ 86 people. So they have $6 million in their bank account, and their ARR as of July 1st, it's $375,465 with total expenses of $1.1 million per month. They started Lem Empire with only $1,000, so they were profitable from day one. The only money they used was growth from their revenue, and they believe that profitability is the most sustainable way to grow a business, and it gives you the freedom to pivot, experiment, and make decisions based on what's best for the company rather than what's best for investors. And being profitable forces you to fine-tune your products because you know that's where you'll get the best long-term ROI. So the result is better market fit and happier customers. So bootstrapping isn't about being cheap, it's about spending wisely and being resourceful. As when you're building with businesses with limited resources, you have to be creative in finding solutions. So you're looking for things that are cost effective and leveraging free or open source tools, as well as continuously seeking to innovate ways to solve problems. So in terms of the other businesses they've acquired, there were 2 other SaaS products, Taplio and Tweet Hunter, for an 8-figure deal over 2 years. So let's take a look at Lemlist. This was their main product, and it's a cold emailing platform that helps you turn strangers into customers so you can find buyers, engage across multiple channels, and convert them into your next customers. An all-in-one outreach solution, so they have a lead database as well as smart enrichment, so you can get 80% of your leads' valid email address directly within Lemlist. I've used the product before, it's quite effective at what it does. If we take a look at their pricing, it's $59 a seat, and it's $99 for the sales engagement, and they do have a enterprise platform. But overall, an extremely successful SaaS product here to hit $22 million in ARR. If you've made it this far in the video, I'm sure you want to build your own SaaS product, or if you're looking to build a micro SaaS product as well, there's a link in the description below where you can get sneaky micro SaaS ideas you can steal for free. All you need to do is enter in your email. So again, there's a link in the description below. I also have a course on how to build your own micro SaaS, even if you don't have a product idea or any experience. So there's a link in the description for that as well, so make sure you check it out. So definitely a very cool story. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one down below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.